Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO Find X2 Lite, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best free themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so just find it. And click install. Click open. Agree. Choose your favorite apps. And here we have, as you can see, really great interface. And here, as you can see, we have very minimalistic interface. So here we have only our favorite apps and alphabetical line to find any application in the faster way than usual. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just tap your finger on the alphabetical line and drag it to P letter. And here you'll see all applications started with P and the Play Store is here. Cool. On the second place in my top is normal OPPO launcher, so launcher from Color OS. Why? Because it's good fit for this device. I don't know why, so I wanted to set Smart Launcher 6 to the second place, on the second place of this rating, but Smart Launcher 6 works not too good and looks like not too good for this device. So standard launcher fits really great. It have alphabetical line to find applications. It have great apps menu. You can customize your launcher, your home screen. So it's really great launcher for you. On the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Find it and click install. Okay, after installing, click open, click get started, and then click validate the app, allow. Here, click continue, skip, not now. Skip, add in the Microsoft account, choose your favorite apps, and cool. So click let's go, and fine. So what we can tell about it? So what I can tell about it? So this launcher is really great. The first killer feature of this launcher is the glance panel. In the glance we can set up all our widgets. All widgets in one panel, as you can see. By default, here you have Microsoft widgets, but you can change it to the Google or other applications widget. Here in the main menu we have alphabetical line 2. Here we have the search and the voice search. Here we can hit an app feature, and we have the gestures. So if you will try the gestures on this device, you will like to use gestures, I swear. For example, I want to open the calculator by swiping 2 fingers up. As you can see, it works. So this launcher makes your life easier and more performance or something about it. So that's it. I think that this launcher is the best, but if you need to be more focused, not the multitasking, but focused, I suggest to use Niagara Launcher. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.